Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, fed up with the Baba Go Slow nonsense of the Malam Buhari regime, even the GBT merchants of the APC government are now giving the 80-something-year-old Malam Buhari the hurry up. So I bring you this. APC chieftain tasked Buhari on timely appointment of ministers. So a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress APC in Ekiti State, Mr. Olusegun Oshinkolu, has urged President Muhammadu Buhari to ensure the timely constitution of his Executive Council on assumption of office for the second term. It took President Buhari about 6 months to appoint ministers into his cabinet upon assumption of office in May 2015. Oshinkolu, the Director General of the Buhari/Oshibanjo campaign organization in the state, said prompt constitution of the cabinet would hasten the implementation of government policies and programs. The APC chief said this in a statement made available to journalists in Ado-Ekiti, the state capital. In the first term of President Buhari that is gradually coming to an end, it took the president over 6 months before the ministers were appointed, he said. We have to change gear this time and guard against delay in the composition of Federal Executive Council members for the second term. Nigerians are hopeful that the second term would afford the APC the opportunity to consolidate on its policies and programs, and it will be foolhardy for the party to delay action, for there won't be any excuse for failure in 2023. Oshinkolu lauded the president for the approval of the new minimum wage for workers. He said the development, coming barely 2 months after Buhari was re-elected, showed that Nigerians would get a lot of benefit in the president's second term. The opposition made huge political capital from the delay in signing the minimum wage proposal into law before the elections. They said it was a political decoy to entrap them and then drop the proposal, he added. President Buhari is yet to dissolve the current cabinet ahead of his inauguration on May 29, 2019. So this is now the APC party fed up now with all this Baba Go Slow nonsense that we have had to contend with. So Baba Go Slow is to take 6 months to inaugurate an executive council, and that executive council would then need an additional 6 months to get to grips with their brief, and then that's already 1 year gone in a 4-year tenure, and then you have now 3 years to implement programs. And we all know that the last year of a regime is always devoted to the oncoming elections. So effectively, you have 2 years of governance in a 4-year term, because you are doing Baba Go Slow. So even the GBTs in the APC are now fed up with all this nonsense now, and they're saying, look, old man, please hurry up, get it up and step it up, because enough is enough, and enough of all this nonsense, and they are now giving him the hurry up. So what do you make of this? Baba Go Slow and nonsensicals in the Nigerian space. So what is your conversation around this? Come have a chat with me about all this in the comment section. But before you come have that chat with me in the comment section, the usual routine, you click on that red subscribe button so it goes gray, and then you click on that bell button as well. If you click on that, then you are notified every time I drop a video. So once you've done both, come have this chat with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.